Learning to play an instrument will take many hours of practice.
That one is hours.
Hours.
Hour or hour.
Hour.
Yes. Okay. Do you understand what is an hour?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So learning to play an instrument will takes many hours of practice. Many, I guess. Okay, so can you make a sentence using hour?
She will spend 2 hours in the supermarket.
She will spend 2 hours in the supermarket. What is she going to buy?
Because she need to buy some soup.
Some soup and groceries. Okay?
Okay.
All right, that's great. She will spend 2 hours in the supermarket because she needs to buy some soup and groceries.
Okay.
Very good. Next one, let's do the number 4.
Alone. Playing alone or by yourself is very special.
Alone. Do you know the meaning of alone?
Yeah.
Okay, only you.
Well, she will go outside to play with her friend when she is alone.
Is alone. Okay, she will go outside to play with her friend when she is alone. Alright, that is nice, but we can say like this one. She usually go outside and play. Okay, when she's alone, she usually go outside and play with her friends.
Okay.
Alright, yes, that one. Can you please read this? The yellow highlights.
When she is alone, she usually go outside and play with her friends.
Okay. How about you? How about you, Minnie? When you are alone, do you go outside?
No.
No. What do you do when you are alone?
I will play at home.
Play at home alone.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So you're not scared when you are alone? At home?
Not really.
Not really? Wow, very brave. Okay, that's great. So, well, let's take a look at the number 5. Real.
Real guitar is louder than a pretend guitar.
A real guitar is louder than a pretend guitar. Do you understand what is real and what is pretend?
Yes.
Oh, very good. What is real? When we say real, what is real?
It's not fake. It's not fake.
Not fake. Very good. Or in other words, it's genuine. Same word. This one. Genuine. This one. It means real.
Okay.
Yes. How about pretend? What is the meaning of pretend?
Real.
It's not
Real.
It's not real. Very good. Or it is.
It is fake.
Yes, very good. Now make a sentence using real and pretend.
Mother's Day, she gave her mom a real flower.
On Mother's Day, she get her mom a real flower. Okay, maybe we can say like this one. She gave she gave a real flower to her mom on Mother's Day.
Okay.
Okay, nice. Next one. Can you read it first?
She gave a real flower to her mom on Mother's Day.
Okay, very good. How about pretend?
Pretend he is pretend to be a superhero.
Wow, she pretends. What kind of superhero? She pretends to be a superhero. Okay, very good. She pretends to be a superhero. How about you? I have a question. Do you like pretend uh, play or pretending game? Pretending game or pretend play. It's like you're gonna play with your friends that you are a princess or you are a superhero.
No, I don't like pretending game
Why not?
because it is bored.
Boring. I don't like to play pretend games because it's boring. Oh my. All right, I see. Yeah, so that is the meaning of real and pretend.
Oh,
Yeah, it's an opposite. Real, pretend. Okay, very good. For number